Ta-da! Hello guys, this is the first video from Italy. I'm back to Italy. VEVOR sent me this oven, wooden oven for pizza. So also if I have some video from Thailand still to edit, I will do first the trying, the test of this oven, because they tell me if you make the video we send this to you for free, and plus you can have 5% of discount. You can find the link here under the video. So now I will remove all the plastic from the shipping. Everything is perfect, the oven survived. Now I will start to assemble. If there is something complicated, I will tell you during the assembling of the oven. They give you also this screw. If you have a classic one, you can use it that you have at home. But for emergency, you can use also this one. One thing more, remember that this plastic that is attached to the metal is a protection. You should remove it before you put the pieces together. Remember? In the box, now everything assembled, you can find the instruction, assembly instructions, plus these, if you are using the pellets or the charcoal, this to cut the pizza, this spectacular glue, because probably after everything will be hot, so to avoid that you burn yourself. This for the pizza, and this support you put inside, and on the support you put the stone. And I think that if you are using the tray or the pizza pot or the baking pot, you can skip the stone and use directly this one, but we will try in the future video. So now I assemble everything together. I on my oven. I will use this kind of pressed wood done for the barbecue, and small pieces of wood like this one, because if you want a fluffy pizza you need the fire. Remember, not only the charcoals but the fires. and after only 15 minutes with the pellets, our oven reached 350 Celsius degree or 650 Fahrenheit degree. So now we can start to bake the first pizza. Spectacular. It's well done, well cooked. So the oven is working very well. The only problem, you need to learn to manage the fire. So I use the brick that I show you, the piece of wood, this small one, and the pellets. With the pellets I reach the temperature of 350 Celsius degree. So remember to buy a pellet for food, not the normal one for the fireplace. So the oven is working very well. If you want to buy it, you find the link under the video with the 5% of discount. If you have some suggestions and advice that you already have this oven, let us know down in the comment. Plus, doing the video I was too slow, so when I done the first pizza, stick to the pan, I don't know the name, so I fold it, I put a little bit of flour, and now is a calzone, and I bake it also in the oven. Now I will test the calzone. See you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, and to watch all this video about the pizza. Bye bye!